You're sprinting to your gate and your stomach is screaming. You see the menu, a sad, tricky wrap for $17, a bottle of water for $6. Before you waste your money, I'm going to let you in on a secret. You can walk past every single overpriced airport restaurant and eat an absolutely epic meal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get gourmet food through TSA, and it's surprisingly easy. You'll land with more energy, a full stomach, and a fatter wallet. Let's do this. The Mythbuster. Everyone thinks TSA will confiscate your food. That is completely wrong. If it's a solid food, it's coming on the plane with you. The only rule you need to worry about is the liquid rule, and we're about to break it. They say no liquids over 3.4 ounces, and that includes stuff like soup and yogurt. But if you freeze them completely solid, TSA counts them as solid food. I'm serious. Freeze a smoothie overnight and you can carry it right through security. This is the ultimate airport hack. The 7 gourmet hacks. The just add water bowl. I challenge you to find a cheaper breakfast. Throw some quick cook oats, chia seeds, dried berries, and cinnamon in a bag. Once you're past security, go to literally any coffee shop, get free hot water, and in 5 minutes, you have an incredible breakfast that costs less than $1. The Bento Power Box. Get one of these 3-part containers. In the first part, quinoa and kale. In the second, crunchy roasted chickpeas. In the third, chicken. This is a perfectly balanced meal that looks a million times better than anything they sell you. And because it's all solid, it's 100% TSA proof. The pre-spread wrap. They say you can't bring a tub of hummus, so we're hiding it in plain sight. Spread the hummus inside a wrap with turkey and spinach, roll it up, and you've just smuggled your dip through security. This is lunch solved. No waiting, no lines. The upgraded snack pack. Forget their expensive, sugary snacks. We're making our own. Just mix some almonds, pumpkin seeds, coconut, and a couple squares of dark chocolate. This is pure energy without the insane sugar crash, and it costs almost nothing. The frozen yogurt parfait. This feels like cheating. The night before your flight, layer yogurt, frozen berries, and seeds in a jar and freeze it. By the time you get to your gate, it will have thawed into a perfect cold parfait. We're using the freezing glitch again. The hot meal thermos. Do you want a steaming hot meal on the plane? Before you leave, fill a thermos with boiling water for 5 minutes, dump it out, and fill it with a hot stew. Hours later, you'll open it and it will still be hot. People on the plane will go crazy trying to figure out how you did it. First class charcuterie. You're about to eat better than people in first class. In a small box, pack some crackers, cheese, salami, and dried apricots. You'll be eating like a king for just a few bucks while everyone else is stuck with tiny bags of pretzels. Money and time savings. Let's do the math. An airport lunch costs about $16 and you have to wait in line for 40 minutes. The food we just made cost around $4.50 with 0 wait time. On a single round trip, that's almost $30 and 2 hours of your life that you get back. You could buy a new video game with that money. Last minute airport outs. Okay, you messed up and didn't pack any food. Don't panic. If you absolutely have to buy airport food, here's the emergency plan. Go to a place like Cava or Chipotle and get a bowl with greens instead of rice and ask for double veggies. At Starbucks, the egg bites and oatmeal are your best bet. Avoid the traps. Skip anything fried, covered in cheese, or with a fancy name but no ingredient list. I challenge you. Drop your absolute best travel food hack in the comments. The most insane, genius idea gets pinned. And if you want more videos where I show you how to beat the system and travel smarter, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.